you're into cars or anything historical, you have to make your way down to Nostalgia Street Rods. They have so much more than street rods though. But we're hanging out with owner Art Goldstrom. Really cool, first of all, that you're a woman who's into cars. I'm a woman who's into cars, so seeing you in a room full of it is really awesome. And let's talk about it. For someone who hasn't been down to Nostalgia, what do you have on site?
So it's called Vegas's best kept secret. It's a walk down history lane. We have memorabilia here, we have cars, we have all different kinds of things. It's for the whole family. And it's just a great way to showcase the things my mom and dad collected. I never wanted my children or anybody in this world to forget about where we come from. And it's history, so you just get a really cool tour here.
And I think the best part is it's been passed down. So it's kind of ingrained in you now, and you have so many different rooms on property as well. We're in the largest. This is Art's World. These things really a piece of art on their own. What can people find when they walk through this room?
Well, in this room you have all different kinds of cars. You have 27s, you have 32s. Some of those 32s have been built here from the ground up. We have a hot rod wheelchair in the back. We have the Zamboni ice machine that represents the Knights, and it's got a 454 in it. And of course we have the toilet here and the crate motor.
Okay, we have to talk about the toilet because I think when you come on site here, you expect to find just cars. We have so much more than that. Like we said, it's Art's World. These are pieces of art. Can you go in it and go in it?
Yes, you sure can.
What other great finds can people find in here?
Oh man, there's so many different things. Just too many to name. You know, we have cars from 1910 to 1965, and you know, it's all a labor of love, a real labor of love.
And you mentioned to me earlier that some of these in the middle row, they've been built from the ground up, right?
Yes, we built a lot of cars here from the ground up. The 32s especially, because that was my dad's favorite year. Although I think 40 was too, and 27, but I'm not quite sure.
There's just a couple of them in there, and it shows on property. Another amazing thing, the work that you do in our community with your tours, with your shows that you put on, but all of that money goes to great causes, right?
It does. So I raise money all year long for two amazing charities, and I do other charities also, but my main ones are Stop DUI and the Speedway Children's Charity Las Vegas chapter.
And those things displayed on this wall as well. And one of the best ways to really check all of it out is to book a tour here at Nostalgia. What's the best way for people to do that?
So we're all on all social media platforms, nostalgiastreetrods.com, and my phone number is 702-876-3652. We give tours Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. And we do tours on the weekends, but by appointment only.
Okay, and how long do these tours last? There's a lot to see here.
Well, you know, it depends on what kind of tour guide you got, because sometimes it can take up to 2 hours. It's just however you want to go. We don't like to rush people. We like people to come in and experience their own journey. And so if they want to take hours, they take hours.
So take a little trip down memory lane here at Nostalgia Street Rods.
Thanks for watching this segment from 5DRVtv. For more automotive entertainment, be sure to download the 5DRVtv app from Roku, Fire TV, or Apple TV.